So since we finished off the carport roof yesterday, we're going to catch up on a couple odd jobs. So we're here at Zehr State and just looking at this little sidewalk we did with the granite flipped upside down. It snowed a little bit last night. Not much down here, but so they're wet, but they're totally non-skid in my opinion. Really love it. They look great because they're wet. But still, no, they're not slippery at all. Now, if it was freezing, I don't know, possibly, I suppose you could get ice buildup. But it's not, well, it is really cold out, but they're not frozen. Okay, so what we're going to do is, a friend lent me this grinder. And we're going to grind off some more sidewalk edges. I'll tell you, this thing really goes to town. I don't even know what kind of blade it really is. I guess it's some kind of carbide maybe. But this thing really grinds. So we did some before and I kind of ran out of time. Plus I was really tired. It's not easy work. And we're going to do one more time with it. So we got the wire strung out. We got some electric out here. And I'll show you some places where we already did. I can't remember if I did a video. Places like this right here, you can grind that down so it's not such a bit. So right here is one we did before. And it does make a big difference walking along here. Now here's a small one. I may come up and do this one just a little bit. And then we had done this one some, or I had done it. This one right here was a really bad one. I could do more on this one, take it back further, but it's so much better than what it was. Now here's a really bad one too, but this is going to our front steps. So I didn't put that on high priority because we have it blocked anyways. So we're going to, oh, here's another one. So you have to walk both ways. Well, it's not really too bad, but a little bit. Here's one for sure I'm doing. Right here. Take that edge off. Over here it's good, but right here it's bad. So the problem is if you try to move these stone, you're going to break them. So it was either take the edge off with this grinder, which I didn't even think of because I didn't have one, or I was going to cut along here and then concrete a wedge in there. But this grinding idea is much better. So I'm really glad that he told me about this and let me borrow it to try it, and it works great. So put the camera down. We'll get our mask on, earplugs in, and we're going to start grinding. Get that sidewalk nicer.